Welcome to the Stress-Free Naturally podcast. Find your groove naturally with your host, Ashlie Pappas.
Hello and welcome to Stress-Free Naturally. I'm your host, Ashlie Pappas. If you feel like you need a little additional guidance in dealing with stress or even your day-to-day life, make sure to hop over to ashliepappas.com and sign up for my free 5-day I Love Me challenge. It's all about doing you in simple and easy bite-sized steps. The meditation that I'm going to be sharing with you today is one of my personal favorites. It's one I like to pull out of my pocket whenever I feel like the world's going too fast or like I just need that deep breath of relief. Have you ever been in a state of overwhelm where it feels like life is moving at the speed of light? Where your thoughts are flooding your mind and it seems like there are more things to do than there are hours in the day? If so, you're going to find this meditation very valuable. Find a place where you can be comfortable and quiet for the duration of your meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and slowly release through your mouth. Breathing in, feel the air against your nose going down into your lungs, feeling as your chest rises and your belly expands. As you breathe out, allow yourself to let go of all of the stress in your body. Imagine yourself floating in vast emptiness, a peaceful emptiness, where there is nothing but yourself and infinite space around you. If you'd like, you can imagine yourself deep into outer space. Breathing in, let yourself go into a deeper level of relaxation, allowing each breath to clear your mind. As you breathe out, allow yourself to release your thoughts and release any stress or tension in your body. Breathing in deep down to the very bottom of your belly, breathing in the peace and the stillness. As thoughts enter your mind, acknowledge them and notice how they simply pass through. Breathing in calmness and stillness. kind of stress or tension. If there is a thought, especially weighing on your mind, imagine it as a physical, concrete object, like a football. As you breathe out, release any emotional weight that thought may have on you, and release it into the object. Now pluck the object from the horizon of your mind, gently holding it in front of you, acknowledging it. Inspect the object. Notice how the thought is completely independent from you, how it is entirely separate as an entity. As you wish the thought well, visualize yourself punting the object. Watch as the thought glides through the space, out of sight, out of existence. Taking a deep breath in, feel the lightness within your body. Feel the stillness within your mind. If you find a thought lingering, simply pluck it from your mind as an object and acknowledge it without any judgment. Then launch the thought into the open, peaceful nothingness. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, slowly awakening your body. Take a deep breath in, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Moving forward, anytime you feel that there is a thought weighing heavily on your mind, feel free to revisit this meditation. When you feel like you need a pause or you need a sigh of relief, just take that thought and release.
This has been a Calm Clear Now Network production. Executive producer Shell Hamilton. To discover more meditation, visualization, and affirmation podcasts like this one, visit calmclearnow.com.